office right after the demolition drive. This is in fact the first day that Kangana is visiting her office after the BMC broke it down. Here are visuals coming in, live shots of Kangana Ranaut leaving her residence. She heads towards her office where her office building has been demolished by the BMC. It happened yesterday. A lot of commotion there right now, right outside Kangana Ranaut's house. These are live visuals coming in of Kangana Ranaut leaving her home. She's headed towards her office, the office that was broken down by the BMC. This is the first visit that Kangana makes to the office right after its demolition. In fact, remember, right as this movement of Kangana Ranaut here on one hand, on the other hand, the Bombay High Court is still listening to the plea of Kangana Ranaut opposing the demolition drive by the BMC. And here, live visuals coming in of Kangana Ranaut stepping out of her home, headed to her office, which is now broken down by the BMC. Cutting across to Pia Hingorani, joining us live from outside Kangana's house. Pia, take us through. Kangana Ranaut headed towards her office. She is going to be visiting her office for the first time after the demolition drive. What's the purpose of her visiting the office right at a time when the Bombay High Court is still hearing her plea?
Absolutely, Nabila. She just left her residence. I'm standing outside her house. She just left from these gates over here. DB Breeze here on the 16th Road at Khar. She's headed to her office at Pali Hill. Now, it's interesting to note that it was only this morning that her sister Rangoli Chandel had also visited, the office Manikarnika Films to understand the kind of damage that has been caused by the BMC when they stripped down almost two floors of her office, which was very newly built. It was only in January this year that she had inaugurated her office. So now Kangana Ranaut has just stepped out to go and see for herself what is the kind of damage that happens. And like you rightly said, while the Bombay High Court is still listening to the plea of the stay of the demolition, so it'll be interesting to see what her next step would be. What will she do next? Like, and also, Kangana is the kind of person who is very, out in the open. She doesn't need filters. She just says what she thinks is right, and all on social media. So it will be in only a couple of moments that we'll actually get to know what her next step would be.
With us. We are cutting across to Amit Tyagi joining us for more details. Amit, here we're looking at Kangana Ranaut reaching her office. Take us through what you see behind.
Yes, Kangana has come with her convoy and all media has surrounded her. So all have been waiting. That is the first time Kangana visits her office after it's been demolished. And that's excitement for everybody. She has yet come out of the car. We're waiting for her to come out and she's like struggling her way to get inside the building. You can see the convoy of police, the security forces. And Kangana is trying to just get out of the car, but she's unable to. So we are trying to get the visuals of this, Kangana's first time visiting her property after it's been demolished by the BMC. So see the kind of frenzy, the kind of, the crowd which has accumulated here. It's all media people plus this.
Well, Amit, would you know why Kangana has reached her office right when the time the Bombay High Court is hearing her plea against the demolition?
Well, it's the first time. She hasn't seen what exactly has happened. So I think that when she heard about the court decision, I think it was the right to pay a visit because she hasn't actually seen personally what has happened. In the morning, her sister Rangoli came, but for Kangana, this is the first time she has come to her house. After this thing, she's coming out. I think the security is beefed up and we can see Kangana coming out of the car. And now I think she's getting out of the car and getting inside the property. If we can, our cameraman can show us around.
Number 5.
Yes, the media. This is the Mumbai's Pali place where, and you can see that she's coming. A lot of commotion here. A lot of security is trying to ensure that nobody disturbs her.
Is her sister also joining her? Is her sister is also with Kangana, or is Kangana alone?
I'm not able to get the view because the view has been obstructed, but it seems like she is there, and one of her 2 or friends are also there. Yeah.
Right,
That's all we
Kangana
can see.
Ranaut's
She's gone
visit for the
inside
first time. Yeah, Amit.
the property, having a look.
Amit, the
Yes.
Bombay High Court
Yes,
is
she's
currently
first time
hearing
visiting
a
the
plea.
property.
She's challenged the BMC's decision to demolish her residence, her office, beg your pardon. In fact, her residence is next in line. This is quite some heated moments that we see here. Kangana Ranaut, first visuals coming in of Kangana Ranaut there right inside her office property. We get you visuals here live on India Today of Kangana Ranaut visiting her office, which has been demolished by the BMC. For the first time, she's making a visit to check what really went by. The BMC there demolished her office even before, of course, the High Court there staying the demolition drive, but nonetheless, what had to be damaged, it was done. Most of the first and second floor was razed down. Amit, how bad is the demolition? How bad is the destruction that you see right before you?
Well, apparently Kangana had spent almost close to 45 crores of rupees for this property, and she had decorated it, made it in a very Gothic style. If you see the property, it's made like in a Gothic European style. It's located in the heart of Mumbai city, the most expensive place where the rich and famous live, the Pali Hill, and a lot of emotions were attached, according to Kangana, that she had plans to make Manikarnika the office, her banner, and she was really keen to kick off a lot of projects after the lockdown. And that's why obviously she's heard that her dream project, her dream office that she had made with so much, detailing, that's been demolished. So that one emotional factor of Kangana is there. Plus, of course, the whole drive by the BMC, which is like a violation without giving notice, without even giving 24 hours notice, was done. So that was really, the act that whole nation is talking about. And
Well,
Kangana
from
has
what we
been
hear, a
tweeting
notice
her
was
views
given,
on
an
this.
exact 24 hours notice was given is what we hear. Is that right, Amit?
Yes, it is. People are finding the loopholes of the law, but I think it's quite human that she should have been served notice when she was here. So that was the one thing that everyone is talking about. And talking about the industry, most of the actors, most of the fraternity from the film, the television world who have been associated with her, they feel at least she should have been given some kind of a notice or a prior intimation.
Undoubtedly, Amit, the timing of this demolition drive is a big question.
Yes, that's what everybody's, the timing of this whole demolition went with the time when Kangana was speaking about the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the nepotism case, the drugs case, and right now this happened. So obviously it's become like a war between Kangana and the Maharashtra government and all these things, the permutation and combinations. But at the end of the day, whatever happened is not being appreciated by one and all.
Well, this almost looked like a story of sour grapes, ain't it, Amit? It appears that the Maharashtra government there clearly could not digest some comments, fiery comments coming in from the side of Kangana, and very seemingly they have appeared to be sore on their end, and in retort trying to, of course, hit back. This at least is what is appearing so. That they have demolished her office. If there was any irregularity, if there was any discrepancy in the construction, if the construction wasn't as per plan that was given to the BMC earlier, why have they taken so long for action to take place, or even demolition drive to take place? The timing of it, just when Kangana challenges the Maharashtra government that she's coming down, you do what you have to do, we'll see what you can do. Those kind of statements that she made against the Maharashtra government, right at that time, this demolition drive coming to fore, of course, raises a lot of questions on the timing and the intention of the Maharashtra government quite clearly. But here is the Shiv Sena, Amit, who've distanced themselves from this entire demolition drive. Shiv Sena saying that the party has nothing to do with what the BMC has done. The BMC has individually, of course, looked into irregularities and demolished the house of Kangana Ranaut. Kangana's house is next. Right now, the office has been demolished. Next is the house. So what do you think is the real glaring irregularity that you see here? Let me take that question to Pankaj Upadhyay joining us for more details. Pankaj, what is that irregularity, or what is the violation committed by Kangana Ranaut at at her Pali Hill office, which was razed down by the BMC, that has eventually led to this this visual that we see right here, a complete demolition of her office there, with Kangana Ranaut left shocked, challenging this in court.
Nivela, we are reporting from ground zero, right in front of Kangana Ranaut's office here in Pali Hill area of Bandra. The actress herself is inside her office inspecting the damage that has been done. Of course, this is her car, and of course, she's been given white category security, and here you see the security personnel as well all around. This is her car. We've been after her right since the time she left her house. It just took her 10 minutes to reach this place because there was no traffic around. Mumbai police personnel all around, not allowing anybody even to reach up to the gates. But interestingly, in the morning hours, it was her sister Rangoli who had visited this place, and in all likelihood she would have given the report to her sister Kangana Ranaut back at their car residence as well. And after that, I think Kangana Ranaut, realizing the kind of big support that she was getting on social media and how many Mumbaikas started questioning this very demolition drive of the BMC, perhaps Kangana Ranaut realized that this was the exact time, the perfect time when she should be visiting her office. Now, this is also a signal. This is also a statement that is being made by Kangana Ranaut here, not just to the state government, but also to the BMC, that she is not shaken up with this incident. Now, when she got out of her car, I had a look at her. There was a look of defiance. She looked very, very strong. She waved her hands as well. Her eyes were still. Now, it said a lot. It definitely said a lot. But interestingly here, neither is Kangana Ranaut giving up, nor is the BMC giving up, because they are saying that after this office, they are eyeing the house of Kangana Ranaut in Khar area of Mumbai. And the BMC says that there are 8 counts. At least there are 8 counts on which they can say that illegal structures have been developed there, and that they have now put in an application in the city civil court where they have said that the stay order that Kangana Ranaut had obtained in 2018, that should be put aside, and that BMC should now be given permission to demolish all the new structures, illegal structures that have come in the Khar area. But she has some time. The matter is going to be heard in the court. Before that, she is concentrating her energies here in the Pali Hill area, where the demolition drive was undertaken by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation in her office. Now, we showed the viewers exclusive visuals first as to the kind of damage that has been done. What is being questioned, Navela, right here is that not only has the BMC demolished the so-called and the alleged structural changes that the actress had brought about, but they also completely damaged the furniture. They damaged the artifacts. The cupboards were toppled as well. The drilling machine has been put deep inside the walls as well. The gadgets have been completely removed as well. The electric wiring has been completely removed. And that is the reason why many people, especially the Mumbaikas, are asking what was the hurried need for the BMC to act in such a time, at such a time when Kangana Ranaut was not even present here. And added to that, her lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui, I was present here and reporting from ground zero when her lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui was here with the papers, and he pleaded in front of the Mumbai police and the BMC officials that you should stop this demolition drive. The matter is going to be heard in the court, and that you should stop this demolition drive till that time. But for at least 10 to 15 minutes, he was not allowed entry inside. He said that he wants to inspect what's happening inside. He was not allowed entry. And even after, when he had submitted the papers to the officials and he left this place, I could easily hear that the work was still continuing. Now, this is an indication enough. Perhaps the BMC was under the pressure from the government as well. The government, which wants to send a clear-cut message.
But that's precisely what the government has said, Pankaj. The government has said that they are disassociating themselves from this entire matter. They cannot be held responsible. It is the BMC entirely who's picked up this case, considering the glaring violations, and they've gone ahead with the demolition. The party has nothing to do with it. Shiv Sena, Sanjay Raut, they're categorically saying that this is no revenge. This is completely the responsibility of the BMC. Go speak to the BMC commissioner. Yeah, have you all had a word with the BMC commissioner? What are they saying? In fact, we hear that the BMC is trying hard to push the High Court to lift the stay on demolition drive on her house in Khar Road. In fact, that's going to be next, more likely so. Looking at the situation there right now, the BMC in full drive to ensure that violations are not spared, particularly with Kangana. We know it's a fact that there are several buildings that are violating those norms. Here is Kangana Ranaut coming out of her office right now, and she sits inside her car. She's headed out. Kangana Ranaut there also flanked by her sister. She's also joining Kangana. Her sister is also along with her. Visuals coming in of Kangana Ranaut stepping out of her office in Pali Hill, which has been demolished by the BMC. Stepping out.
She's moving out now.
Pankaj, where is she headed to? Pankaj, Kangana Ranaut is out.
Yes,
where is she headed
Navila, so there's a car. She has inspected. Now, she has inspected this place for nearly 10 minutes, and she has, I think, in all probabilities, she'll be heading back to her residence, because even though she has been exempt from home quarantine, because she said that she is here for only a very short period of time, and only perhaps by the 14th of this month she will be leaving Mumbai, either for Manali or some other place, and that's the reason why she's been exempt from home quarantine. Additionally, we've also been told that she had put in an application for exemption in the Mumbai Municipal Corporation as well. But the most important news of the day, actress Kangana Ranaut finally visits her demolished office here in the Pali Hill area of Bandra. She has inspected the damage that has been done. Now, this is important on two counts. First of all, this sends a big message to the BMC. This sends a big message to the Shiv Sena as well. And thirdly, she would have definitely gathered videographic evidence as well, because in the court of law, she could herself say that her personal furniture, her artifacts, her other gadgets have definitely been destroyed by the BMC. That definitely did not come under the purview of structural developments, the alleged structural changes that the BMC says that Kangana had taken. Additionally, her lawyers also say that this office was closed for the past 6 to 7 months on the account of the COVID pandemic as well. So the BMC has a lot of explaining to do. But right now, the big news is
Pankaj, a quick word from you on the exact procedure of a demolition drive. What should ideally happen? A notice should be sent out. How many hours, how many days prior should a notice be sent out? What is the formality, if you can point out? Exactly how has the BMC here violated themselves?
See, the fact remains, BMC has acted in a very smart fashion. As per the law, if the BMC is acting under certain section which says that it will give the BMC the right to act within 24 hours of giving the notice, then definitely they have all the right. And that's exactly what has happened. BMC put in these sections which gives them the right to act within 24 hours. I had a word with the senior BMC officials, and they said they are going by the rule book. First of all, they inspected her place. Then they put the count of the illegal structural changes that had taken place. They drew the entire chart, and then they gave the entire letter along with the notice to Kangana Ranaut and said, these are the illegal changes, these are the illegal alterations and the structural changes that you have brought about inside the house, and that this is illegal. We need to demolish them completely. They need to be razed. And then BMC says, as per the regulations, 24 hours time was given to Team Kangana to respond. But then again, BMC says the response that was given was not satisfactory. And it was only after that the BMC reached up to her place, and even after that, they put in one more notice. Two notices were placed at Kangana Ranaut's main entry door. This is the second notice that you are seeing at the main entry gate. Two notices, as the BMC says, were placed outside Kangana Ranaut's office to apprise her of the imminent action that will be taken by the BMC.
When was this office built? Pankaj, take us through. When was this office built? And right after the office was constructed, why wasn't there an inspection that was carried out by the BMC right then? It's mandatory for the civic body there to carry out periodic inspections. Why did the BMC not carry out an inspection much in advance?
Well, the fact remains, Nabila, there are at least 1,000 illegal structures in Mumbai city. This is what the RTI query now says. BMC, that is the reason why we are saying BMC has a lot to answer. What about the various inspections that had taken place, if at all? they had taken place. What about this very Pali Hill area, which has now come under the scanner after this action of the BMC? Many people are pointing out that in this very area of Pali Hill, there are many illegal structures. Why hasn't the BMC bothered to look at those structures? Why won't they serve notices? And when we are talking about illegal structures, there are who's who of the Bollywood industry and of the fashion industry who've got illegal structures here. They've got offices here. BMC officers off record accept that yes, the structures are illegal. They know about it. These structures are under their scanner. But the biggest question remains, what stopped the BMC from taking action for such a long time? And that's precisely the reason why people are saying...
Stay with us, Pankaj. Pia joining us right from outside Kangana Ranaut's home. Kangana Ranaut has just arrived at her house. Pia, take us through. Has Kangana reached? She's going back to her residency here.
Absolutely. That is Kangana. You can see... Oh. Kangana Ranaut has just reached. As you can see, her entire convoy has just gone in. She's had... she was... inside her car, she was alone, and all these police personnel did follow her at that point. And yeah, after the inspection of the house, now it'll be interesting to see if I can ask my camera person to take us through to. That is, in fact, Kangana Ranaut going inside her residence here at 16th Road here in Khar. She just finished inspecting. She was at her office just for about 10 minutes, and she's just reached home. She had a convoy of about 5 police cars, which was starting from the CRPF car, and then after that it went into all the police cars that were behind her.
Entire Y category security there, convoy following her, and of course securing her on all sides. Here we're looking at Kangana Ranaut, given Y category security, considering the threat perception that she is established before the government, the union government, who's awarded her a Y category security, and that's what she had right through, and she currently is flanked by all of those security guards, even their vehicles there, their convoy escorting her. Now, Pia, right outside the house. Pia, any plans for the day for Kangana Ranaut? Do we know that she just left her home to reach her office, inspect the office for 10 minutes, left and comes back to her house? Any further plans for the day that we might know?
Well, Nabila, at the moment, we do not have any information about her plans because her team has been extremely tight-lipped about it. Due to the security reasons, they do not want to divulge, in any details about her whereabouts. But what we do know is that Kangana is extremely vocal. She does express whatever she feels and whatever she is going to do on social media. So her next step of action, she and her lawyer will be quite open about it and will divulge it in a couple of, perhaps a couple of hours. But what we do know is also that she has been exempt from, home quarantine according to the BMC. So it'll be interesting to see what she will actually do. Perhaps will she go again for an inspection? Will she sit down with her lawyers to understand what her next action will be? Perhaps, again go back in the evening to her office. It's only a matter of time that we'll actually get to know what Kangana Ranaut's next step would be.
This is the same house, Pia, that is currently under scanner by the BMC, is it? Where you're standing right now is the house of Kangana Ranaut in Khar, where the BMC right now is mulling over demolishing that apartment as well, considering there have been irregularities and violations spotted. Back in 2013 itself, a notice was sent out. Kangana also was one of those who challenged that demolition drive in court, and then a stay was also issued. We understand now the BMC is pushing for the stay to be lifted to carry out the demolition drive at that residence, that Khar residence where she's right now residing. You showed us visuals of where she is staying, the apartment that she's staying. She stays on the 5th floor, we understand. Kangana Ranaut has just left her office and arrived at her home. Her home also now under scrutiny.
Well, absolutely. I'll ask my camera person to tilt up and show you. This is the building DB Breeze here on the 16th Road at Khar. She stays on the 5th floor, and the building was served a notice by the BMC back in 2018. Remember, Kangana had purchased this property, and this building was, in fact, built in the year 2013. She had, purchased it back then. And not only Kangana, but the other residents have also gotten a notice in 2018 about the irregularities and about, the illegal construction that the BMC have alleged. However, even last night, Kangana did put out a tweet saying that, it's not only her under the scanner, but also the other residents. If she's in trouble, and so will the other residents be. In fact, let me take you through a couple of tweets also that she put out last night. In fact, she did slam out at, Uddhav Thackeray, saying that, you've come after my my office, now you're coming after my home. Where will this end? After that, you'll perhaps come and break my face and my body. So, that's a very clear message that she's giving out to the BMC, to the Maharashtra government, to the Shiv Sena, that she's not going to back down. In fact, she will take on the BMC head on. She did go and see her office, to understand the extent of the damage so that they can understand or plan the next step. And now also she's all set, to perhaps see what the BMC would, come to a conclusion about the building.
Yeah, thank you very much. Do stay with us. We're going to be following all the movements here. Kangana Ranaut now on the hot seat. She is currently at her house. She has reached back. She visited her office, which was demolished. She took a good look for about 10 minutes. She was accompanied by her sister and a few friends, even the lawyer. They looked at the entire demolished structure, and then she is headed back. Of course, this comes even while the Bombay court is listening to her plea. In fact, it could be so that the stay could be pushed a little longer. The BMC now won't be able to demolish until the 22nd is what is said. We're going to bring you all those details and more after a short break. Do stay tuned.